Welcome back to another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck. Today we are in Norwich, Ohio, here at the West Union one-room school. Stay tuned. I'll tell you all about it. The West Union School is a historic one-room school located near the Village of Norwich in eastern Muskingum County, Ohio. The school was erected in 1858 and replaced an earlier log school building. The school is a weather-boarded building constructed on a foundation of sandstone and covered with a slate roof. It measures 35 feet long and 25 feet wide. It is believed to be one of the most well-preserved one-room schools in the region. Classes met in the West Union School from 1858 until 1933, at which time the West Union School District united with other Union Township districts to merge with the new Concord school system. Since that time, the school has served as a community center. It has hosted events for religious groups, musicians, and farmers organizations, and has even hosted a debate club. Thank you for joining us for another episode of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm your host, Susie Selleck. Thanks for joining us today here in Norwich, Ohio at the West Union one-room school. Remember, travel slowly and stop often. Bye for now.